we're going to look at custom fields. Custom fields are ways of extending your client database to store more information. On this screen, which you can get to through the settings area, you can create as many custom fields as you like. There's a few different options. So text input, password, select box, a checkbox, even an image that needs to be added, dates, numbers. I'm going to just do a checkbox as an example here. We've agreed to receive our newsletter. I'm not going to say it's required. I don't want to hide from clients. I do want to show it on registration, and I don't want to show it on invoices. So now that field will be on every single client that exists. So if I go to a client and go to their settings profile, you'll see they have all of these options here. When I add a new client as an admin, you see these options are there. And even if I was to create a new client myself, you'll see the options that are available to client also show there. Once I've got those custom fields in, I can then search my clients by the values in those custom fields. So for example, this is client segments. I could add a client segment. I'm going to say receives newsletter, and then I'm going to do agree to receive our newsletter equals yes. You'll see this person is now agreeing to receive my newsletter. I could add all sorts of filters there. I could set a filter for receives newsletter and name is Brian, for example. Now that's done, I can, for example, mass mail that client. So I could go add bulk action. I'm going to say newsletter. I'm going to say receives newsletter, and I'll create a template and send them an email. We'll come on to actually sending emails in a different video guide, but you see how powerful this is. The other thing I can do on clients is I can set tags. So tags are ways that I can categorize clients in some certain ways. So let's call this test client, says to test. So this account is classified as test client. Now I can, on this one, add a client tag, and I can do clients called Brian. And then if I go back to here and go here, this can be both. So now I've got those tags. If I go to my clients list, you can see this is also categorized here. I can quick filter by those tags, or I could also edit a segment. So I can edit the segment, and I can say tag matches any Brian. There you have it. Very simple, very powerful client custom fields, tags. Tags, by the way, are not visible to clients. It's just something you see as an admin.